By the end of this video, you'll have a fully customized CRM that looks something like this, and it's gonna have your business filled out, all the categories for your business, and on top of that, each category is gonna have all the data pre-filled specifically for your business. And it's not only gonna be fully customizable, but it's gonna be also done in a matter of minutes. Let me show you how we can do this. If we go to the website ozma-io, on the top right, build app with AI. On the bottom right, you can see build your app. And here is Ozma. This is going to be your personal assistant in designing your own custom CRM for a matter of only a few requests. Let's say I need a CRM for a car dealership. Keep it nice and simple for Ozma, right? Let's see this. Sounds like an exciting project. We can either come up with the entire business app structure ourselves, or you can answer a few questions and ensure we capture all the necessary use cases. Now, CRM can be complex. If you go with Google Sheets, it gets very clustered very quickly. If you go with any specific software, it is really hard to find the right one that's going to be tuned for you, and it's usually very expensive and hard to learn. However, Ozma over here is going to do this for us in just a matter of minutes and all for free. So let's ask Ozma to ask us a few questions. Let's do option 2. Ozma is very, very flexible when it comes to answering your questions, your requests, and everything. Let's start with some essentials. Do you need to manage both customers and potential leads? For 1, we'll say only customers. For 2, we'll say, would you like to track individual car details, including their availability? Let's say yes. Why not? That would be useful in my car business, as an example. And then a few more questions. Do you need to keep track of interactions with customers? Let's say yes. Let's see what Ozma comes up for that. Then would you like to manage sales representatives and assign them to specific customer sales? Let's say no. Now you could clarify more. You could ask Ozma to add specific things. You could ask Ozma not to add specific things. It is fully customizable, and it's all in your hands with just a couple of sentences and a couple of requests. So right now, Ozma is going to be designing this for us. Put together a blueprint for your new business app. Is being tailored to fit your needs, and it takes up to 5 minutes, which is really, really quick. Usually it is even quicker than that, so we'll see it in a matter of seconds. And as you can see on the website at ozma.io, you can customize the CRM for any sort of business. Boutique shop to track customer trends, tax consultant, real estate CRM, nonprofit CRM, whatever kind of CRM you need, Ozma is going to build it for you. And as you can see, Ozma is already done. A matter of minutes, a matter of a couple of requests. Car dealership management business app. Business app for car dealership to manage customer information, car inventory, and customer interactions. Tracks customer details, car specifics, and log interactions like calls or meetings, which is very crucial. We will now generate example data for your business app, but don't mind us and start exploring. Let's see what Ozma created for us. And just like that, in a matter of minutes, Ozma has designed our car dealership management CRM, where it contains customers, cars, interactions. Now, this is not the limit. You can add more things, you can request more things, and you can ask Ozma to even remove things. Let's look at customers. As you can see, Ozma already pre-filled all the information for us, so we exactly know what's supposed to go where. We have the full name, email, phone number, address, and description. All these are important. I know in the car business, address are very important whenever you're sending out the paperwork to the customer. And then let's see what the cars are. As we can see, Ozma decided that the model, make, year are important, price, availability, simple check marks. That is very convenient. Sales status and description. Very, very convenient. And with the power of AI, you can not only build a CRM, but also ask it to tune it for you. When it comes to descriptions, customize it, create visuals, everything. And interactions, let's see that one. As you can see, Ozma has tied the information of the customers and the cars to what kind of interactions they had, which interaction date, what are they interested in, what was the discussion. So it is all pre-filled and it is all customized specifically for my car business. And I think this is amazing. And there's even more coming up to this. This is just graphs, not the graphs. This is just charts. In the future updates, Ozma is not going to be only capable of doing that, but also showing you visual graphs. Let me show what those look like, just for your interest. If we go to ozma.io, you'll be capable of seeing in the demo category that there's all these things that Ozma can do. And one of them will be the CRM, which is what we're interested in specifically. And as you can see, Ozma is also capable of building dashboards like this, where you can see everything visually. You see, completed, first contact, payment pending, everything is going to be built into this. So whatever business you have right now, give us a shot. This is a definitely must-have, must-recommend, must-try software. And yeah, just go to ozma-io, build app with AI, and build your own CRM in a matter of minutes. Have fun.